Hello guys, good morning to all over out there and everyone. How are you today guys? Kumustang araw niyo? Kumustang morning niyo guys? Ito tayo, naka-coffee pa tayo guys. Medyo ano tayo na yung ano natin guys. Let's have it. Ayun. Ang tinapay to wash the to wash the bread. Joke. Guys, how are you today? How was your day? I hope you had a good day and you have a good sleep. Kain tayo guys. Yun lang. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching guys. Have a blessed day to all and everyone. Thank you. Keep safe.